Now that I'm 70 years old, been retired for about 3 years, I've come across two major crossroads. As I've mentioned in a previous video, I still owe on my house. So my major two crossroads are I owe just under $100,000 on my mortgage. Or do I build up to 100K, which I'm pretty close to it. That is my two major crossroads. Not sure exactly what to do. Being 70 years old, do I work on paying off my mortgage? And I'll be honest, I owe $98,000 on that. Do I work on that? Or do I try to reach 100,000 in my savings, which, I'm about 30,000 off there, maybe less than that. And that is the crossroad where I'm at. I'm not exactly sure what to do in that aspect because I cannot do both at the same time. So I'm not really sure which way I want to go. I know everyone says, oh, you need to get that mortgage paid off. You shouldn't have retired until you... Well, sometimes it doesn't always happen that way, and sometimes life throws you a curveball. It just happens that way. And it kind of did for me. So I am where I'm at right now, and I'm not really sure which way to go. And I could go to my credit union and ask them which route to go. I'm sure the bottom line is it's up to me. Right now, I have all my money in not just a savings, because I know I talked about it earlier. It's not just a savings. I have it all in a max money market, which the credit union is paying me each month to keep that in there. I'm not really sure what the percentage is right now. I can't remember. But anyways, at the end of every month, they put money into my max money market. And of course, the more you put in, the more you make. I'm wondering if someone could tell me if there's just a little bit better option to go in that route. I did have some of my money in a Roth. It was for a year. The Roth was 5.5% for 1 year. So you could put any amount of money in there as long as you didn't need it throughout the year because you couldn't get it out. So I decided to put $20,000 in that. But at the end of the year, that gave me an extra $1,000. I guess that's better than nothing. And I was happy with that. So then right after that, you have to take that right back out. And then I put it right back into the max money market. So anyways, kind of got off track there a little bit. But I guess my dilemma right now is, what do I do as far as trying to pay off this mortgage? Or do I put any type of money? Because remember, a video 2 ago, I mentioned I did not have a 401k, never had a 401k. So all my money kept going straight into my max money market, everything. Income tax money, any little bit I got went straight into my savings. That's how I've had to deal with this. And so I guess the bottom line is, what do I do? I don't know. I don't know whether to try to pay my house off, or start putting more money into my savings. I'd like to get that straight up to 100K. But the thing is, I can't, like I said in the beginning, I can't do it all. So my thought is to work on getting that savings up to 100K. Once I'm able to do that, maybe start working on my mortgage. And that might be the route to go. I don't know. Does anyone have a better plan for me? I think that's the route that I'm going to take versus trying to get my mortgage paid off right now. Or should I not even worry about it? Should I not even worry about my mortgage at 70 years old and just concentrate on saving and keeping that in a max money market? Or if anyone else has a better plan, that would be great too. I would welcome any type of information on that, or a route to go. But I know we're all facing different challenges when it comes to the financial ends of things. We're all walking a different financial path. But if anyone can have great suggestions for me on which way to go, I would honor that in the comments below. I look at every single comment that someone drops below on my channel. So if someone's got some good suggestions, that'd be great. I would love that. And like I said, I know everyone has their own story. Everyone walks a different path when it comes to finances. And, because we're not all the same. So I don't want to stick it into the S&P 500, any stock market. It scares me to death. It just scares me to death. And at my age, I can't do that right now. So anyways, if you got any good suggestions, please leave a comment. I would love to hear them. Like I said, I listen to everybody's, and I usually answer everybody. So anyways, I'll wrap this up. Like I said, we all have a different path that we're going down, different financial path. So anyways, thanks for stopping in. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you. And I will see you at the next video. Bye now.